Hi, I'm Cody General Manager of Queenstown Solar. We're a local business specialising in solar and battery storage for the commercial and residential market. We're down here at Shotover Jet, where we've installed a 31 kilowatt solar system. The process started with Shotover Jet at the end of last year, where they engaged with us to discuss the possibility of helping them continue on their journey towards a more sustainable future. The first step for us is to understand what they're trying to achieve and what their energy priorities are. For Shotover Jet, they wanted to reduce their impact on the environment by lowering their carbon footprint, lower their energy bills, and reduce the reliance on the grid, and finally transitioning towards an electrical fleet of vehicles for staff as well, and being able to charge them off a renewable source. We then conducted a site survey to further understand the feasibility of installing solar. We took into account multiple factors: pitch of the roof spaces, orientation to north, the topography and surrounding landscape, any structures or services that could cause shading and reduce the production of the system. We use specialist software which 3D models the buildings, tracks the sun throughout the year, and references historic weather data. This ensures that the system we design and install is fit for purpose.
Fortunately, we were spoilt for choice with all the different aspects available here. Achieving a 30 kilowatt system was quite straightforward for us.
The installation process here was very quick. Our team started the install and livened the system within 2 weeks, with zero impact on Shotover Jet's business operations.
With any solar system, there's a few key elements. Here, we considered heavily what panels we'd use. Going with the RECs, because their ethical, sustainable approach in manufacturing really helped Shotover have full confidence in what they were doing was make a positive impact in the world.
We've coupled this system with 2 Fronius inverters, which are made in Austria from 80% recycled material in a manufacturing process powered by 100% renewable energy. This means the equipment we've used is both environmentally friendly and built to last. The solar installation here has been up and running for just over 3 weeks now, and it's producing even more energy than predicted. Each year, the system will produce over 38,000 kilowatts of energy, offsetting over 4 tons of carbon from the environment. Shotover Jet is leading the way for sustainable energy here in Queenstown, providing a roadmap for other businesses in our community.